Go on.
So would you tell me one thing that how do you learn English?
How do you learn English?
Yeah,
That's the deal. You learn it through being surrounded by English, everything English, do everything English, breathe English. Yeah, that's how you learn. See, I'll give you an example. I know Hindi very well. I know to write very well. I know to read very well. I know to frame sentences very well. But I cannot talk in Hindi. I cannot. It's just so bad, my Hindi is. Why? Because I never had anyone to talk to in Hindi or
yeah,
practice with. Hmm? So that's the deal.
okay,
If you want to learn English, start talking to people. With the Karab English that you have, just talk to people. And the more you talk, the more confidence you gain, right? And then that itself gives you better fluency. It'll take you one step closer to the fluency that you desire, right? That's what I
yeah,
think.
that's cool.
Hmm.
That's
And
cool.
so
That's
I
cool.
see that you have good English, Zabi. You have good English. How did you learn English?
So it was just watching a videos on YouTube and just doing
Hmm.
practice.
Wow. See,
Yeah,
I was gonna say that in the beginning that you do have like you have a good sound and you sound good talking in English. That's good. Yeah, you taught it yourself. That's great.
yeah. Thank you so much. And see, basically, I have practiced a lot, right? But I have
Hmm.
not went from the convent school, but
Yes.
I was from the very like Hindi medium school, right? But
Okay.
I practiced a lot, not from the beginning. I just see something something is happening to you when embarrassed me. Right. Basically, I was doing it in diploma, right, in
Uh huh.
2018. So I was to pronounce neighbor,
Okay.
right? So I said something that was like a GH is silent in a
Okay. Yeah.
neighbor,
Yeah.
right? But I was pronouncing, but nobody was understood what is this. So everybody was mocking, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, something has happened, and then still I was practicing, right? So that day I thought, no, I should have. Actually, when I was in a hostel, and I used to not speak with the people, right? Because they used to laugh at me, like I was not able to pronounce burger. I don't know what
Hmm.
I was saying. They were like,
Okay.
"Yaar, kya bole, what you are saying," and all this.
All
So that's
right.
that's how it happened.
Okay. Yeah, people being judgmental, it really is a cause that people are not even trying to better their English. Yeah,
Exactly.
people are being laughed at and judged and all that. So people be like, no, I can't do this. English is not for me. People are going to make fun of me. And they just give up.